cookers are a fundamental tool in the kitchen, and choosing the right model can completely change your cooking experience for the better. Need an easy way to cook rice? We can now present to you our detailed reviews of the best microwave rice cookers. Number 1. Lekue Microwave Rice. When it comes to beauty by way of simplicity, it does not get better than the Lekue rice cooker, but this product isn't all looks. It can cook up a mean bowl of rice, too. Aside from the sleek design, we love the deep thought that went into crafting this simple cooker. The base is made of 2 molded walls with an air gap in between. This not only allows for the shelf that the silicone lid sits on, but also lends itself to safe handling, even when the contents of this cooker are boiling hot. The outer surface remains cool to the touch. You can pull this cooker straight out of the microwave and set it in the center of the table without risking your hands or your lacquer. This simple-to-use rice cooker utilizes a silicone lid that sits deep into the base, and the lid itself is fringed with high walls to prevent any bubbly, starchy mess from oozing out into your microwave. This kind of feature makes this cooker perfect for newbies and distracted cooks alike. The smaller capacity also means this product is great for couples and small families. When filled to the brim, this cooker can make 4 cups of perfectly cooked rice, quinoa, barley, and even oatmeal. Pros: strainer/lid is made of food-safe silicone, not plastic. Deep-set lid means no mess. Cool-to-touch design, compact and stylish. Cons: lid does not lock on. Smaller capacity. Number 2. Joseph M-Cuisine Microwave Rice Cooker. This is a brand that commands respect, and it has delivered several superb products over the years. Their rice cooker stands out because it comes with a range of its items for your convenience. They include the cooking chamber, lid, measuring cup, rice paddle, and colander. What makes this the best small microwave rice cooker is the fact that it has an impressive design that eliminates any troubles taking your pot out of the microwave. The rice paddle can stick over the edges of the circumference of the cooking chamber. This allows you to lift the cookware from your microwave safely. It also helps to lock the lid properly. This rice cooker is slightly more expensive than other models from other brands. I had to put it to the test to find out whether the extra expense was worth it. Well, it certainly is ahead of the game because of its design. I also liked that the cooked rice had a consistent texture. Pros: the paddle serves as a handle and also helps to keep the lid tightly locked. Small-sized rice cooker fits into the microwave without much hassle. The cookware's capacity is reasonable too. Comes with a colander for rinsing your rice. It comes with a handy guide. Cons: this product is expensive compared to similar models from other brands. Number 3. Sistema Microwaveable Collection Rice Cooker. I'll start by reviewing an excellent rice cooker I have in my kitchen. Honestly, the main reason I considered this model is because I was on the budget. I also desperately needed saving from the horrific challenges of cooking rice in the microwave using jugs and cling film. Take it from me, the small investment I made was worth it. Setting up the pot is quite easy. All you should do is unclip the lid, add your water and rice, then install the pressure chamber tray. Now, this tray does a superb job of retaining the moisture in the rice to give it an excellent texture. I love the fact that this model has an easy to close the lid with clips. The lock-in system works wonderfully, not to mention that the cover also has steam release vents. As long as the pressure chamber tray is appropriately installed, it will be less messy to cook your rice. This microwave rice cooker is one of the best bargains you can find in the markets. It is affordable and designed to hold tons of rice and still fit into the microwave with ease. Pros: straightforward setup process. Capacity: 2.6L. Easy to close the lid with clips. Comes with a pressure chamber tray to ensure cooked rice has the perfect texture. 100% virgin plastic rice cooker. The rice doesn't stick to the pot. Versatile cookware, can also steam and heat other foods. Dishwasher safe. Cons: the bowl has no handles. When it heats up, taking it out of the microwave is challenging. Number 4. Zwippy Microwave Rice Cooker. The Zwippy Microwave Rice Cooker, that doubles as a pasta cooker for good measure, is extra high quality compared to the cheaper but serviceable rice cookers on this list. Since this guide offers items where you get what you pay for, it's only natural that Zwippy is among the more expensive items on this list. The main thing that makes Zwippy Microwave Rice Cooker unique from the other cookers aside from its expensiveness is its versatility. You're paying extra for this item in order to have the ability to microwave cook rice along with Zwippy Microwave Rice Cooker. When it's not used correctly, it makes a mess. Therefore, make sure to read the instruction booklet to ensure a perfect result every time. There are no complaints about defective items on its product page as well. Pros: it can also cook pasta, vegetables, soups, and oatmeal. It works as intended as long as you follow its instructions. It comes with its own measuring cup and rice spoon or paddle. It excellently makes fluffy rice without much effort on your part. extra durable construction to ensure quality cooking for either rice or pasta. Cons: it cooks the rice but also makes a mess. It's rather expensive compared to the cookers on this list. Number 5. Sistema Microwave Steamer. At first glance, this rice cooker doesn't look like a rice cooker at all, but its ingenious Nordic-ware design becomes apparent once you use it. The Sistema Microwave Collection rice cooker comes with an inner rice steamer basket that actually stays cool even as the food inside is heated, so you can lift it out easily. The locks surrounding the lid stay cool, too, so you can easily open it up after you're done cooking your white rice or brown rice, veggies, fish or meats. This is why it's our choice for the best cool touch device. Much like an electronic rice cooker, there's a steam vent in the middle of the lid that ensures splatter-free heating. No matter what you're making, it's going to stay secure in the container. Afterwards, cleaning the rice cooked off the pot is as easy as chucking this baby in the dishwasher and pressing a few buttons. Made with BPA-free and phthalate-free plastic, you can even use this rice cooker to store food when it's not in use. Pros: cool touch plastic design, can cook meat, soups, and vegetables. High quality and BPA-free plastic material, contains a steam vent. Cons: size may be too large for smaller households. Number 6. Prep Solutions by Progressive Microwave. If you are looking for the perfect cooking set that includes everything you'll need for preparing a variety of dishes in record time, you've found it with this microwave rice cooker kit from Prep Solutions. This full set cooker comes with everything you need. In addition to the large capacity rice cooker with a lockable lid, you'll get measuring cups, measuring spoons, a pasta measurer, and a serving spoon. The kit also includes a handy pasta strainer that attaches to the top of the base and a steamer insert. All of these extra pieces mean you can use this cooker for more than just rice. It also works to steam veggies, cook pasta, and prepare a variety of grains. This is the perfect kit for new homeowners, college students, and others looking to quickly stock up on the basics while investing in a simple cooking solution. This cooker makes it simple to make a variety of meals and has a large enough capacity to assure leftovers. The lockable lid also means no chance for spills or messes in the microwave. All pieces are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Pros: everything you need in one kit, includes veggie steamer insert, lockable lid, lightweight. Cons: not overly stylish.